Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day with the Panther. Have not received my parts yet. Panther is a quart low on oil. Really need to check that out. See where that oil's going. Probably through the turbo. I got to get a screw for that. But my biggest thing is this vibration and this dang on clicking sound. So I'm going to go get some gas, go down to the shop, and change the oil. When I'm changing the oil, I'm going to see if I can find anything under the car that's clicking. Yesterday, me and the mechanic down there was doing some troubleshooting, and we think it is probably the shocks. So, the shock on the passenger side, if I can't find anything, I think it's either the shock or the CV axle. I rebuilt the boot on that CV axle, but I don't know if I made sure that clip was in, which I believe I did. So I'm probably going to go to the junkyard, get a shock assembly, swap it out, see if that goes away, and if it does, I'm going to order a new Bilstein for the passenger side. Chasing used parts. Man, that's painful. Now, I got these Bilsteins from a gentleman that said that they had about 15,000 miles on them. You know, I don't know if he wasn't able to verify that. He didn't buy them. He got the vehicle from his brother with him on there. But anyway, I had the one in the back. I need to replace that real quick. Now I got this popping up front. I need to deal with that. So let me go get some gas. I'm waiting for the fuel pump to come in on my brother-in-law's Jag. That hasn't arrived. It's past my deadline for working on that today, so it'll come in later today, and I'll replace that fuel pump in that Jag tomorrow. And the relay, to make sure that that relay didn't kill the pump. So round and round, here we go. I got a call from somebody that had a heater core for a 960. They purchased another one. I guess they didn't trust the quality maybe of the one they had bought from FCP. They exchanged it or something other. And they had FCP ship the thing to me, but they used a P.O. box, and FCP sent it via UPS. Now, everybody knows that UPS don't deliver the P.O. boxes. So why they did that, I don't know. So it got sent back. I check my P.O. box once a week, maybe twice a week if I'm expecting something. No less than every 10 days. So I went down there last week, got my mail, went down there yesterday, a week later. I got a dated card. So either the post office had the card in the wrong box, or they didn't put it in my box in time. Well, anyway, or they didn't get it in time. Anyway, the package got sent back to FCP. So now I got to call them, give them the tracking number, give them the right address, throw a timing belt on the order, and get that stuff back here. Now I got some kind of orange border on my phone screen. Don't even know how that happened. Anyway, change the oil, and I see my oil cooler lines are leaking a little bit. I had to check, see how many miles I got on those. My guess is somewhere around 100,000. I put those things on. I had them rebuilt locally, but they did these a little different than all of the others that they had done. I was wondering if they was going to hold up, so I didn't sell them to anybody else. I kept them for myself to see and test them. Anyway, I have another set made. I'll probably change those sometime soon. Also trying to find this clicking. I can't find nothing else loose under the car, so I'm probably going to get a strut from the junkyard, test drive it. If the clicking goes away, I'm going to order a strut. If the clicking doesn't go away, I'm going to put the Bilstein back in and change the axle. If the clicking don't go away then I'll just have to keep digging till I find out what's making that loud clicking popping sound. Alright, I rotated the tires on the passenger side in an attempt to see if the wheel is part of my problem with my shake. So I'm about to get my speeds up to about 70 and see if I still have a wheel shake. I'm working on a Ford Mustang 3.8. It's the large V6. I need to take the intake manifold off just to get at the fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are buried under that. So I got a bracket there. I take a screw out. One back here a little, same deal on the back side. Two on the other side. And you got 12 bolts up top. I thought I got them all, but I see that I missed one right there. So I'm going to pull that bolt, and this plenum should come right up because there's 12 on top. And here's a diagram of the 12 bolts on top. You don't have to get the ones under that I pointed out. Those ones under the manifold go to the fuel rail. So then you unplug the injectors, you unbolt the fuel rail, then you can lift the injectors up and out of the fuel rail or out of the head, and then you push this clip back. You'll need a tool or a screwdriver or something. Well, I got this one off with my hand. Pull that clip back, then you can unplug the injectors. Hole in the oil pan.
Yeah, look.
Is it in the block or the oil pan?
Look in the side of the block. See the block on the right?
Holy cow! Man, that thing threw a rod.
It's a rod, huh?
Threw a rod right through the bottom of the oil pan. Well, now it's easy to change that oil gasket right there. Man, that air conditioner compressor's new.
It's new?
Yep. It's got a good spacing and everything.
Original?
I don't know if it's original or not. I know it's new. Yeah, I don't think that oil pan's worth anything. How's the strut? Is this your tool?
Yeah.
In the brake caliper?
I wanna pull it.
Alright.
I wanna pull this to see.
Well, hurry up. Come on, Buster Brown. You ain't got all day, man. It's time to go.
I am.
Alright.
You see the 94 over
My oil light with my new code reader, it told me to go under the hood and do it. So, have to get under the hood and do that when I get home. Okay, with a couple of packages. The first one is from Jaguar in Nashville. My brother's Jaguar's fuel pump went out. So here's another new fuel pump. The little hose that tore on top, that little hose is like $80. Could not get that thing off. It tore coming off. It was so old. Then I got a brand new relay for the fuel pump, just in case this relay had something to do with that thing dying so quick. Fuel pump relay was about 13 bucks. That thing was 70 something bucks. Overnight shipping was about 75 bucks. So there it is, plus tax or shipping, about $175 to get these parts, redo that fuel pump in that Jaguar. Of course, I think that's a nightmare thing, but anyway, gotta do what you gotta do. I got a call from a viewer in Ohio, said he was leaving the country and wanted to send me some parts. I can't remember where he said he was going. I think he said something like Panama. So he had some parts he didn't think he needed any longer. Oh, he made a cam locking tool for the front cams. I guess this is it. His invention of the front cam locking tool. Then he made a tool for drawing down, I think he did, for drawing down the cam cover. Yep. Spark plug, fit it in there, put that in there, draw down the cover. I guess this is one side, and that's for another side. So 2 of those. And then he put something in here. Let's see what this is. Oh man, a regulator for a alternator. Looks really good. And a mass airflow sensor. I can't tell, it don't look Bosch, but it has good things on it. So it'll probably rebuild somebody's alternator. And then a couple of braided steel brake lines. I don't know if these are front or rear. I'll have to check. Thank you very much, sir. I'm going to try to use this drawdown tool next time I do a cylinder head job. That's going to be nice. Now, I've seen some people have it this way, and I've seen some people make them this way and draw down the head that way. So, it's probably got a nut. Put a old idler in here. I'll spin that, see if that's any good. It's an INA, so it may still be good. That's it for today. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.